doing? Clean butt. What are you doing? You can smile. You can smile. Oh, silly, silly, silly.
Are you mad?
Hello goat lovers, this is Crystal with Blue Cactus Dairy Goats. What started with 4 chickens and 2 goats quickly grew into a lifestyle. So we moved, got more land, and of course, more goats. Follow our adventures as we grow our herd, our food, and our family.
Look who came to see Grandma. What you doing? You say hi. You see your pretty face. Mwah. Love the visits with the baby. Huh. So they came out to visit us today, which was pretty cool. Alexa and her little family. So we had dinner, ate out of the garden, bunch of milk products with dinner, and I got to spend time with sweet baby, Iris. We can't believe how chunky your cheeks are. What happened? You just eat. She eats a lot, don't you? And she really likes Grandma's homemade ranch, so.
And pineapple.
Huh.
She likes pineapple.
And she really likes pineapple. Yeah. So say bye. Say bye, YouTube. Good to see you. She is tuckered out. Aw. Bye-bye.
Yesterday was so nice being able to hang out with the baby and see my daughter. So that was a really nice, relaxing day. I ate some good food. And today, I need to get on making some stuff with the milk and play with the babies a little bit because I love to play with the babies. So we better get on that. So we're missing a little baby girl in here. We did find another home for Millie Ray. Kind of a sad story actually because I didn't get to say goodbye to her. So a few days ago the purchasers were coming through from New Mexico and they were going to be here when I was off of work so that I would be able to hand them off and everything. But sadly they just made a lot better time than expected, so my husband got to hand them off. And obviously he's capable, but again I didn't get to say goodbye. So sweet Millie Ray is going to a really good home up in northern Arizona. She's also going, why are you biting me? Dude! She's going with Cammie's little buckling, blue-eyed pulled boy. They're gonna make a really good match, so that's pretty exciting. If we get some pictures or anything of all of the kids and where they're at, we'll certainly give you guys those updates. But we're running low on babies and I was really sad to see Millie Ray go. So anyway, glad she's going to a good home. Glad. I always like it when at least 2 of our goats can go together because they know each other. It's a lot less stressful for them for a new place. So that's the story on that. So in the past week, we have been down 2 cats, Chubbs, one of our big black cats, and Butter. They have not been around for maybe even a little over a week. First it was Chubbs, and then a couple days later it was Butter. So now we have 2 cats. We have the other really big black cat. What's his real name?
Treasure.
That was named Treasure. Kind of a weird name. But anyway, they call him a million different things. So he's around, and Tink, who is my favorite kitty. We've had her the longest of all of our cats. Our cats just, you know, they're outside cats. They help us with the mice and everything, and where we live, you know, they don't always last too long, unfortunately. I'm still very skeptical. We have really nice cats. Maybe some older lady has them in her house, loving on them. But this also happened. Will you stop?
Sorry.
So we have some backups.
Backup? That's rude.
Which, this is why we have backups. We actually were going to get Tink fixed, and then she had to not be lactating. Before she was not lactating, she went back into heat. So that was kind of a, didn't work out. So hopefully this time it will work out this go around. Because she can just stop having babies. But anyway, that's the story there. Hopefully they'll just pop back up, because that's happened before too, where they'll just be gone for a couple of weeks. So we'll see. We hope. I'm just chilling in the tree house. You like it up here? You like it in the tree house? Hey, kitty, kitty. Oh my goodness. Cuties. So this week has been like Christmas for me. I have all these things coming in the mail, which excites me. I get excited easily about goat stuff, you guys know that. But, so here's all the hard making cheese supplies that I have been waiting for all week, since we made that big order last week. So, I have, you know, again, the extra milk because we weaned the babies and it's been 1 week since we weaned them. They are doing amazing. You guys just saw me sitting out there. Other than that girl trying to eat my hand off, that was a little weird. But other than that, I mean, they're not screaming, they're not hollering. They really took to it very quickly. Sometimes it can take 2 weeks before they chill out. But again, they jumped right onto it, and you know, they just expect their hay now and their little grower pellets. So pretty cool. But anyway, this stuff came in. So I got my farmer's cheese, my goat, my ice cream for the week, and our milk to drink for the week. So got all that done. Now I want to try a hard cheese today. Never done it before. And I'm going to jump into maybe a cheddar. I don't know. Probably a cheddar. But we'll see. So stick around. We'll show you at least a little bit of what we're doing. So this is going to be my cheese cutting knife. So I can cut the curds quite a bit larger than I thought. Wider anyway than I thought it would be. But it's going to work good. This I am very excited about. I don't know why this excites me. Probably because I've been using a plastic one for so long. And when I did it with my farmer's cheese, used it with my farmer's cheese, I don't know why I haven't had this $20 product forever. So anyway, love it. And this is my cheese press. I don't know guys, I kind of thought that there would be, so it is a dual purpose fruit press and cheese press, but I'm kind of wondering, because with hard cheeses you have to know a certain amount of pounds of pressure, and then you flip it, add some more pounds of pressure, blah blah blah. I don't know how I'm supposed to know how many pounds of pressure. So the theory is you make the curds for whatever recipe, whatever cheese. You're going to line this bad boy with some cheesecloth, and you would put it in here where it has the spout to drain. But as I'm looking at it, that spout there's a little bit higher than, I don't know, we'll have to see. Doesn't look very low. I would expect it to be lower. So anyway, you line this with cheesecloth, you pack the curds in here, and then you twist this bad boy down, and it will press the curds. But I don't know how I'm supposed to know how many pounds. So I guess I'm just gonna have to figure that out. So anyway, here's these things. And then I got my cheese making kits, which is the rennets and the cultures and all of that. And then, let's see, my big stock pot. Looking at the box, I thought it would be a little bit bigger, which is why the knife was chosen larger, but let's see. Got myself a really nice one, so. Oh, look at that. A thank you gift. I'll take it. So that's pretty decent size. So it's a 4-gallon. Let's see, guys. Oh yeah. Curd cut. So, there we go. Nice, good, sturdy pan. Alright, so I'm going to clean this stuff up, and I believe I'm going to try a cheddar. Been doing some research on it. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm a little overwhelmed. This is some confusing stuff. There's so many different recipes. I got my kit. I got everything sterilized. I'm all set. I'm ready to go. And I read from the kit that I got, the cheddar recipe in the kit, completely different than any other recipe that I've watched on YouTube or read about in blogs, any of that. I don't want to go off of this. So I just literally spent the last hour looking back through the other recipes and found the one that I actually really liked on YouTube. So I'm going to go with that one. 2 reasons. Cow's milk is completely different. Cow's pasteurized milk is completely different than goat's unpasteurized milk, which I don't intend on pasteurizing it. You get a lot better flavor from the cheese if you don't pasteurize it, from what I understand, which that would be great. So again, I'm feeling a little overwhelmed. I put my pajamas on because life is better in your pajamas unless you can be wearing jeans. Except for I don't want to wear jeans. So I'm going to sit here and I'm going to start this, and in 2 hours I have to go out and milk the goat, so hopefully it's not going to interfere. And I absolutely should have started this in the morning. And I still have to edit a video for tonight for you guys. So doubt you guys are going to be able to see all of this, but we'll at least get started. So here we go, diving in deep, guys.